Welcome everybody to Mr. 3D. Purik from B2 Design offers a selection of excellent courses that you can get, and many of you have been asking where we can find a high quality, detailed, structured course to master every aspect of rigging in Blender. Well, this video is for you. We are going to talk about the Art of Effective Rigging 2nd edition. It's a new course by B2 Design. In this course, you will learn how to make professional production-ready rigs of anything from robots to characters. You will also get these high-quality characters for practice, but if you want, you can also use your own characters. Now let's delve into what's included in this course. The course features over 220 videos of over 32 hours of highly edited content, including in-depth PDF documentation featuring all definitions and principles learned in corresponding videos, the keyboard shortcuts, and the full-blown hierarchy. The chapters in this course are highly organized so that you can learn it all comfortably. And the good thing is, no paid add-on will be needed in this course. So, in the first chapter, you will learn how the course files and lesson system works. Chapter 2 is where your rigging journey starts. You will begin by learning what is rigging and diving into the basic mechanisms such as parenting and how the constraints work in Blender. Then we would be applying these fundamentals to make a simple turret rig. In the third chapter, you will learn to rig small objects like bouncing ball. Chapter 4 is special. You will start rigging a little ball robot that will transform into a spider robot. And this chapter will also introduce you to inverse kinematics, drivers, and custom properties along with a head targeting mechanism. In Chapter 5, you will delve into rigging a biped character. This includes creating a simple spine rig, a leg rig with a simple foot roll and switchable inverse and forward kinematic limbs. Additionally, you will explore skinning and weight painting in detail, uncovering the intricacies of both tools and creative workflows. Moreover, you will craft your first script with no prior experience necessary, as templates will be provided. Every step will be explained in detail, aiding you in creating a custom rig UI to efficiently control your rig. In Chapter 6, which is the second last chapter, you will have learned every single aspect of making a high-end robot rig, such as advanced spine rig, inverse and forward switchable kinematic arm and leg rig, helper bonds to fix deformation along with shape keys, automated secondary mechanisms for shoulder pads, the piston and pieces of armors. In Chapter 7, our final chapter, you will embark on rigging your ultimate character. This involves crafting a complete facial rig equipped with features like sticky eyelids, deformation fall-off, mouth locks, fake cloth simulation, and a plethora of additional advanced techniques. Essentially, we will be pushing the boundaries of everything we have learned in the preceding chapters to their utmost limits. So that is all about what you will get in this course. Now once you get this course, you will get lifetime access to all the new updates as well. So if you are thinking of getting it, I will leave the link to it in the description below. Also, if you're looking for a course that makes you master in animation, then there is a live animation course by B2 Design. This course will take you from zero to hero in animation. Or if you are interested in learning character sculpting, there is a course for that too. And that is all guys. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. And of course, if you like this video or you found it useful, you can give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel so that you never miss out on any of my future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.